G'day, here's a nice example of a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, and it's been weighted to help bring out the colours. Bit thin over on this side. Some other stones were cut from the block. But I think you just have to go back about that far and it'll be thick enough to give you a nice stone. You're not losing much of the colour there. Go in about 3 or 4 millimetres. Over this side it's quite a lot thicker. End up with quite a nice stone there. Blues, electric greens. Sort of like in a fans out sort of pattern. Maybe cut that off there. That drops away. Cut that off and make a little triangular stone out of the corner there. Anyway, I think you've got the idea of what you're looking at. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.